fix Instagram Reels not working. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Instagram Reels not working. So if Instagram Reels aren't working for you, so here's are some troubleshooting steps you can try. Ensure that you have the latest version of your Instagram. You can check your Apple Store or Google Play Store for update. Go and search for the Instagram here. Once you have searched for the Instagram, if there is any update available, then you have to update your Instagram app. And also you can completely restart the app and you can restart your mobile device. Also make sure that you have the stable internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. So on your Android device you have to go to your device setting and find the apps here. Once you have find the apps and go for the manage app and select the Instagram here. Once you have searched for the Instagram, and you can go and tap on the storage or clear data here, and then you have to clear your cache. So sometimes a simple restart can also resolve the issues. Also you can uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it, which can also help you to fix any corrupted files. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Instagram Reels not working. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.